Reliance Foundation Youth Sport was started as an initiative to strengthen the ecosystem for grassroots sports in India. And I'm happy to say that we launched this 4 months ago, but till now we have reached out to 2 million children. I think 1,900 institutions participated, 2,400 teams played. Out of this, 165 teams were the senior girls team and 200 government institutions participated. So I think I'm quite overwhelmed by the response that we've got, not only from the students but from the parents, the teachers and especially the PE teachers.
Ma'am, also the participation of girls as well has been quite overwhelming, as you mentioned, and
Yes.
there have been a significant amount of players that have been girls. So, did you expect that when you started out?
So when we started the senior, we have one age category, the senior girls category that plays. So we didn't expect this, but I think I'm so happy to know, and I think we are going to further deepen our connection with the girls teams.
मैम किस तरह से देखते हैं अभी आगे, जैसे आप पहले ही साल में हमारे पास में सचिन है, फिर जॉन इब्राहिम है और हमारे साथ में अभिषेक बच्चन है, आगे किस तरह से देखते हैं, कहाँ प्रोग्रेस करेगा और किस लेवल पे ले जाएगा?
आई थिंक ये बच्चे के लिए रिलायंस फाउंडेशन स्पोर्ट्स यूथ हैज़ बीन लॉन्च. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स. लेट एवरी चाइल्ड हैव द फ्रीडम to choose the sports that he or she likes. Let them play it, and then let us give them a platform to have competitive sports so that they can look at a career in sports. That is what we need to do.
एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ हमेशा क्रिकेट की बात होती थी, अब लोग फुटबॉल के बारे में भी बात करेंगे.
अच्छा है, एक सिर्फ क्रिकेट नहीं, फुटबॉल नहीं, और बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स है. Children should play all sports. India should become a multi-sport nation. So we should have cricket, football, athletics, basketball, wrestling, swimming, golf, badminton. Let's create a multi-sport nation.
Ma'am, and also the Reliance Foundation, are you planning on giving any training facilities for improving the state of sports in the country?
Yes, our important emphasis is also to be coach the coaches program. Like even now the AIFF has been, we have involved them for this, and they are delicensing AIFF for the PE teachers so that they can become grassroots coaches. So it's very important that we coach the coaches.
मैम फुटबॉल के अलावा आप क्रिकेट से भी एसोसिएटेड रही है मैम, जिस तरह से ऐसे क्रिकेट लवर जिस तरह से महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने स्टेप डाउन किया है अपनी कैप्टनसी से, योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या है?
Oh, I've been a great admirer of MS Dhoni, and I really think he deserves all applause and appreciation as a captain, the captain cool of India. We'll really miss him.